indices problem that came out in UNIport Post UTME past question, right? Now, indices is one topic that few questions used to come out from, right? And you need to learn and master laws of indices. So now, in the course of me explain these two questions, I'm going to explain some basic laws for you, because without the laws of indices, you will not be able to solve this kind of problem, right? And for each question I solve, I'm going to give you the one you're going to try, right? So if you're writing your Post UTME exam, please pay close attention to this one here. And by the end of the year, please make sure you go practice more indices word problem, right? So let's evaluate this guy here. Now the first one, you simplify this expression here, this one. Simplify it. When they say simplify, that is break it down. That means about simplify, right? So if you look at it very well, you can see that there's a whole bracket here, there's a whole bracket like this, -1, right? So this one is there, right? Now inside the bracket, we have what we call cube roots, right? Now inside the cube root here, we have 64 a raised power 3. It's okay. Now what I want to do here, this guy is inside. You start from the inside. You don't start from the outside. You start from the inside. You look at the inside here. Look at the inside. So let us pick this guy. This is one. Let us pick this guy. If you pick this guy here, we have square root of what? 64. No, cube root of 64 3. Right? Now, so let's evaluate. Let's break down this guy. It's okay. Let's break down this guy. So if you should bring this one out like 64 a raised power 3, right? Now, in how many, what can we multiply 3 times? Like what? 64. Because whenever I say cube root, that is, you need to break this guy down. What can you multiply 3 times? Because this one is already raised power 3. So let's make this 64 like this. Just like to be this 3 here. And we know that 64 is equal to what? 4 times 4 times 4, right? 4 times 4 so 4 times 4 16. 6 times 4 is what? Is 64. Just it means that I can rewrite this guy to be what? 4 raised power 3 a raised power 3. That is me. Hope you understand. So 64 a raised power 3 can also be written as this. So if you should put this one in here, like knowing fully well that this 64 is also sent about 4 raised power 3, you can write it to be like this. Right? To be like this is equals to what? 4 raised power 3 a raised power 3, right? So that is, I've written this one to be this one here, right? You remember here is 3. It's okay. Now there's one thing I need to understand. Now, because these two are having the same power, so you can also write like as what? 4a all raised power 3. Right? Now, why are we taking 1 here? Because this one also is same to this guy here. Right? So how do we manage this cube root here? How do you manage this cube root here? Now there's one thing I want to show you here. Now whenever you have something like, let me write it here. Now whenever you have something like this, x the cube root of a of x here, right? If you have something like this, also the same thing as what? S 1 over what? A. Just 1 over what? A. That is me here. So that is why you need to learn laws of indices. If you join my private online class, you see videos on what? Laws of indices. You will see all the complete video of what? Laws of indices. Do you understand? So if you join my Post UTME class, if you don't know, currently now Post UTME class is going on. My 6 days Post UTME class is going on. Today is going to be day 2. As of time of me recording this video, day 2 it should be 13th of August. We started 12th. 12th was on Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, right? 13th of August, right? If you want to join the class, just send me a message on WhatsApp and you join the class. The detail will be given to you. You have to see all the questions and all the videos PDF regarding what UNIport Post UTME, right? So in this video, I'm just solving just few questions. Now, if you have something like this, also the same time this one here. So if I ask like this x, remember this square here also is center what s 1 over what 2, right? If you have something like this cube root of a, just the center what s 1 over what 4, right? That's what like 4 s also what s is for what, here is what is 3, here goes 1 over what 4, right? So these are things you need to put in mind. So when you have something like this, remember from here, move down to this other one here. From here, move down to this other one here. Now here we can see that cube roots, right? Now, remember I told you that whenever you have cube root like this, a, right? Also, it's always now a or raised power 1 over 3, right? Now, the same thing here, the same thing I'm going to see there. It's going to be 4a all raised power 3, then 1 over 3. It's okay. Now, do you know the reason why I put this bracket here? Because this thing is affecting it here. So I will put this bracket here so that this one will affect everything here. So this guy can also be written as this guy here. They're the same thing. Now, remember, here we have the power here. For something like this, 3 times 1 over 3. 1 over 3 cancel out 3 here, right? So what you have, this 3 will cancel out this 3 here. So what you have left is what is 4 what a. It's okay. That is everything here. Remember, I pick everything here, right? Just move here, some move here, some move here, some move here. That is, I've evaluated everything here to be what 4a, right? So in the sense that everything here is now evaluated to what 4a. So here I will not say because everything here is now 4a, so we'll be 4a always power minus 1, right? So now, but I want to remove this minus sign. This one means inverse. Now, when I ask something like this, a minus 1, you also see that 1 over what a. It's okay. If I have a minus b, it's also there 1 over what a b. So to remove the minus here, just say over. Just now. So if you want to remove this guy here, this minus here. You want to remove this minus here. Let me use this out. You want to remove this minus here, going to be what equals to 1 over what 4a. So this is not the answer here. The option is what is B. B is what is the option. So now, these are things you need to pay close attention to. I'm going to give you some you're going to try, right? So, but if you understand this like here, leave a comment so that you understand, right? And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that whenever I upload this kind of video again, be notified that a new video will be uploaded, because I upload video every single day. Now, as long as UNIport Post UTME is concerned, I upload video every single day that will be of great help to you. Now, but if you don't want to see more of my video, you need to join my membership, because today now this video here is a free video here, but 2 more videos will be coming up live tonight. Chemistry and physics past question. Do you understand? And if therefore they are going to be for a paid membership students. If you pay now to join the paid membership students, there's the link at the description below that you sign up to be one of our paid membership students. We have what access to exclusive videos like this. It's okay. Now, let me give you one for you to try. Now, I was going to put the option, but I'm not going to put the option. There's a reason why I'm not putting the option. I was going to put the options, but I'm not putting the options. So solve this problem. I'll leave your answer at the comment section, and I will review it if you are correct or not. Now, practice it. Post UTME is coming. You just want to practice. If you don't know it, go and learn more so I can be able to do it. That is the essence of this video. So I want to solve this problem now. Question 2. Solve the second question, right? Find the value of x for this expression here, right? So I'm going to write that solution. Here we have 2x minus 1 equals to what? 162, right? Now, how do we evaluate here? The first one to do here is to divide both sides by 2. You want to eliminate this one here, so divide both sides by 2. Just now, do you know the reason why I divided both sides by 2? Because this one is 1. So you cannot do anything here. You cannot put the bracket because this one is slightly different from this other one here, right? So you divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So what you have now? You now have 2x minus 1 equals to. You divide 160 divided by 2. Here we have 81. It's okay. Now, since here here we have the index here is 3. No, the base here is 3. The index here is 2x minus 1, right? How do we make these two to be the same? If you check very well, here is 3 and here is 81. Of course, I can make here to be 3 because here 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So whenever you have something like this, I would say, can these two be the same base? That is why it's calling this is, can these two be the same base? Now, if here is 3, I would say, can I make here to be 3 as the base so I can have the power, right? Of course, you can do it. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 21. Or 21 times 3 is what? Is 81, right? So that's what I'm going to get. So let's just confirm it. 3 times 3 times 3. Okay. 9 times 3 is 27, right? Times 3 is what? Is times 3 is what? Is 81. So in the sense that this guy I've seen here can also be written about 3 raised to power 4. Now, the reason why I'm going to make it 3 raised to power 4 is because you want to make it to be the same base as this other guy here. So here you want to have, this implies that place here going to be what? 3 2x minus 1 equals to what? 3 raised to power 4. Because that they have the same base here, because they have the same base. So you equate the what? The power. So yeah, you got to be what? 2x minus 1 is equals to what? 4, right? Now, yeah, let's make s the solution formula here. If you carry something to that side here, you have 2x equals to what? 4 plus 1, right? So we're going to give you what? This implies that what? 2x equals to what? 5. Divide both side by 2. Divide both side by 2. So what you have here, s equals to what? 5 over what? 2. So this is the answer. The answer is what? Is A, right? Now, one thing you need to understand here is that, now let me give you one tips that will help you in your preparation, right? Now, once you enter UNIport Post UTME, once you are logged into the portal here, now don't start solving calculation. Just now, what I will advise to do is this. What I will advise you to do is this, very important. In the first minutes, scan through all the questions. Now, one of the mistakes most people make is that now once they log in, they will now start solving for question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Now that was a mistake I made about my first question that made me to fail. Now when I wrote my first question, I didn't know all these things. Nobody online to teach us. Nobody on more serious notes, right? We did the experiment ourselves. So we know these things. That is why I'm here to guide you through this online platform. That's why if you're not subscribed to this channel now, please hit that subscribe button so that whenever I upload another video like this that will come up, is going to be of great help to you. Just so like I was saying, once you log into the system, please pay close share. Once you log into the system, what you want to do is to what? Use 1 minute to go through the 50 questions. Remember, UNIport Post UTME is what? Is 50 questions on that 30 minutes. Now, this type of calculation that we know that you're going to take time, you have to keep it later. Just any calculation like physics, chemistry, that have calculation that you know that is going to give you tough time or going to give you quite to think much, you leave those ones first. Go and solve the easiest one. And the easiest way to know if you have easy question is when you go use 1 minute to scan through all the 50-word question. Just as you scan through the question, you are looking at the question one by one, the one that is easy, the one that is difficult. Now once you have scanned through the question, you don't know, okay, this is how the exam look like. You now start answering those questions that are very easy. Now, because in every exam you have the word easy mode, the calculation mode, and you have the ones you don't know at all. So you want to start with the easiest mode. Just the one you know that will take you no less than 1 minute for it to solve, like 30 seconds to solve. Because there's a question if you read, like biology, if you read them, you already know them. You don't need to think anything. So these are the ones you're going to solve before you now move to calculation. Hope you understand. Sorry I digress, but it's very important. Exam is very close. You need to know these things. This will do what differentiates those students who are smart and those who are brilliant but are not smart. That is it. So the answer is what? 5 over 2. Now let me give you one value of n. So this is it here. Please join my membership because next video is going to be on physics. Join my membership. If not that you are not in the private group, if you are not in my private group, like my 6 days matter class that is going on, then join my private community, my membership. Here I want to produce these videos all the time for you. This is just a free video. Imagine free videos like this. Imagine what you're going to get in the paid membership. I'm going to see go to provide you with all these past questions here. There's some past questions I've already done as PDF, right? for mass commission and physics. I want to share them for you for free. It's going to be a great help to you. Hope you will not miss out.